The results are visible from the day 1 and it keeps improving for up to 2 to 3 weeks after the treatment, when the skin edema settles down and the results become more apparent, and the results last for quite a few days. This is a very useful procedure for those people who want to get the lift without having any surgery, without having much downtime. This is a very good option for them. What to expect during the procedure? Before the procedure, the doctor will examine you and explain to you what are the advantages of this procedure, and then show you how many treatment threads will be needed in the procedure. On the day of the procedure, you will be asked to apply the anesthetic cream for at least 45 minutes before the procedure is done. Then markings of the skin are made to understand where the threads will be placed, and they will be, once the marking is done, the skin is cleansed, and then the threads are introduced under local anesthetic injection. The procedure is very comfortable. You will feel some discomfort or pulling sensation during the procedure itself, but once the procedure is done, you feel a nice tightening of the skin. Doctor may advise you to take some oral antibiotics as well as painkillers and swelling resolving medicines for 1 to 2 days post the procedure. You will also be advised to sleep with your head end elevated with couple of pillows, not to sleep on your sides, to avoid opening your mouth wide. So make sure that you are postponing your dental appointments and avoiding having any social events for 1 week post procedure in case there is any bruise post procedure. Post the treatment, an ice pack is applied to the face, and after the ice pack is removed, you are allowed to go home. Makeup can be applied 24 hours after the procedure is complete, and you can return to work the next day. When can the results of a thread lift be seen? Results of a thread lift can be seen immediately on the table after the treatment is complete. But there is a significant edema and swelling which is associated with the anesthetic, which will take a day or 2 to reduce, and then you can start appreciating the results. It keeps improving for up to 2 weeks post treatments as the swelling resolves and the collagen starts to tighten and the thread starts to get absorbed by the skin. The results keep improving for 2 to 3 weeks after the treatment. Results with PLLA threads can last up to 1.5 years post treatment. Results with cork threads are known to last up to 6 months with treatment. What are the common side effects which are seen after the treatment with threads? One of the most important thing is, as we know, any injectable procedure, it can have a little bit of bruise and swelling. These are not really side effects, these are part of the treatment, but they resolve within a week of the treatment itself. And you can of course use some anti-inflammatory medicines, we can use some painkillers to help you with the bruising as well as the swelling. And if you feel that there is some makeup which has to be applied to camouflage it, after 24 hours you can use that makeup as well. In some patients we see some pulling and tightening sensation which can last up to a week, and then it can settle down. Visible threads or dimpling again is because of more superficially placed threads or thinner skin, again will settle down within a week of treatment, or the doctor may suggest some RF massage on the area to help it settle down faster. Very rarely one area of the face improves more than the other area. This is not a side effect, you don't have to worry. All that has to be done is the other area which hasn't improved needs to be treated with a few extra threads, and this will help you get better. So the results of these procedures are good, the side effects are few and minimum. So speak to your dermatologist today to understand more about thread lifts, or if this is a treatment option for you, and discuss more about thread lifts with your doctor today.